Very good evening to all of you students. We are going to start today with the chemical reaction. This is very, very important chapter. This is you are going to study. It is going to be continued in your 9th grade also, right? And 10th also. Everywhere it will come. Now, before doing this,
Someone happy.
now before doing this chapter, you all should know the valencies and compound because in this chapter everywhere अभी कोई भी बात के ना सीधा बजा होगा मैं बस हो गया. In this chapter, first you should know all the valencies and compound formation. Now for basic, I am telling you, beta, sodium valency is 1 plus, right? Magnesium is how much, beta? 2 plus. Aluminium is 3 plus. So now suppose if I take chlorine here, so what I'll get? This will valency will crisscross. Sodium chloride. Okay, if I take here, beta, chlorine, beta, then what will happen? This will crisscross. What will get? MgCl2. If I write chlorine here, then what I'm going to get? Are you getting it or not? Tell me.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This, beta, abhi, देखा? Okay. Now suppose beta, if I take A, if I have written this sodium 1 plus and if it is oxygen 2 minus, so 2 will go here and we'll get here. So what do you get? But if I take magnesium 2 plus and oxygen 2 minus, so 2 will get. Are you getting it? Aluminium, if I take aluminium is Al2 and this is this, so what I'm going to get? Okay. Now, beta, this is for basic valency. Now, suppose if I have complex radical, what is radical? Group of atom which has a charge. Ammonium. And this is what I'm taking sulfate. So what I'm going to get? This will go here. But you have to put this into bracket. Okay. Now, this is ammonium sulfate. Are you getting it? Any difficulty till here? Okay. If I take aluminium and sulfate. So, alu is how much, beta? 3. So, this will go here. So, what do you get? L2SO4 3. Okay. Clear? Any difficulty till here? Now, whenever I carry out the reaction, how will you come to know that a reaction has taken place? How will you come to know that reaction has taken place? So, what are the characteristics? So, first thing, what they will ask in this chapter, how will you come to know the reaction has taken place? So, characteristic of chemical reaction. What are the characteristics of chemical reaction? Chemical reaction. So during chemical reaction, what can happen, beta, in characteristic first thing? In reaction, beta, how will you come to know the reaction has taken place? In some reaction, gas is evolved. Suppose I am taking a container, in that I am adding metal and acid. So gas will evolve. So if gas will evolve, then can you see the bubbles of the gas or not? Tell me.
Yes.
So what is the first characteristic? Evolution of gas. Evolution of gas. Then second is shut. During the chemical reaction, sometimes certain color will change or not. Tell me. So in reactant, some different color will be there. In product, after the reaction, some different color will be there. Yeah, come. Is this the time to come or what?
Very bad.
Please take permission before coming inside. Go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me. Yes.
May I come inside? No.
Yeah.
So,
What? You're not. You have to seek the permission. Yeah.
so may I come inside?
Please, you can come.
No.
And where is my gift? Shut up. Nobody is talking to you. During chemical reaction, initial reactant will be different, and after reaction, the product will be different. Okay, so how will you come to know that reaction has taken place?
The color.
Change in color. Change in color. Now, sometimes, beta, sometimes something insoluble is formed. Insoluble is formed. If I am taking two liquid, listen carefully. I am taking two liquid and I am mixing them. When I mix two liquid, something solid will be formed. So that solid, will remain suspended or will it fall down in the solution?
Fall down.
Okay, so we call it as what? Precipitate. So what I'll write here? Formation of
Solid.
precipitate. Formation of
Precipitate.
precipitate. That is residue. Precipitate means insoluble residue. Then, beta, next thing. No. Sometimes, beta, if I touch the reaction, sometimes in reaction, beta, heat is absorbed. So if heat is absorbed, then if I touch the vessel, it will be what? Hot. Endothermic. Sometimes heat is released. If I touch. So what is the last characteristic? Absorption or evolution of heat. Absorption or evolution of heat. Write this. Evolution. We are doing which chapter? Chemical reaction. What is the name of the chapter? Chemical reactions. Start writing. Start writing. Any pen will do. Start writing. And please don't give pen to the people who are not bringing the pen in the class.
I don't know if it works.
How much you scored, Maisha? How much you scored, Myra? How much you scored? So less. Rushan, how much you scored?
Sir, I scored 59.
Sir, he got 39 and he's depressed students like.
Hey, how much you scored, beta? What is your name?
37.
In exam, this will come for 2 marks. What are the characteristics of a chemical reaction? Yeah, evolution of gas, change in color, formation of precipitate, absorption or evolution of heat. Purnima, beta.
Huh.
Are you getting it? Beta? Sure. Hey, do your own work. Okay? Wow, sure.
Yes, so you're beautiful.
So you like it?
Very nice.
Yeah, you.
Chalo, done.
No, sir.
What date?
Pen is pink, bag is pink, t-shirt is pink. What? Today is some pink day. Pink day. Acha, is it? Hey, nobody asked your opinion.
Don't seriously.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
What you laugh? Yeah, I.
This boy, you're laughing as if you have seen yourself in mirror or what.
Sir, on recording too.
Yeah.
Personal violation.
ठीक है? Chalo, done all of you.
no, sir. No, sir.
Now next thing. Beta, this
It's the last word he.
Heat.
evolution or absorption of heat. How will you come to know a reaction is taking place, beta? I can either from all these 4, I can see one or 2 more changes which will take place in the reaction. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo.
Wait, sir.
Now, in this chapter beta, we'll study different types of reaction. Okay, let us start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, they will tell you what is exothermic and endothermic reaction. Exothermic and so exo means out. Heat is released during the reaction. Heat is what, beta? Released. Chalo, beta, done.
Oh, sir.
What, man? Hatching eggs or what? Do it fast. Okay. Exothermic reaction means what? Exothermic. Exo means out. Therma means heat. Heat is given out. Exothermic. Exo means what? Heat. Okay. Okay. So what will happen, beta? What will happen during exothermic reaction? Tell me. Heat is released. Heat is released. Or evolved. Or evolved. How to write an exothermic reaction? Okay, so let us write the example for exothermic reaction. We have already written this exothermic reaction if you remember, beta, right? No, you forgot, okay? Not the problem, beta. If you add a lime to water, if you add and whenever exothermic reaction is there, beta, what we are going to write? Plus this thing will write plus triangle. What we write? So here heat is released. Beta, this heat is released. This is what, beta? Calcium oxide. What is the name of this? Calcium oxide. And what I got? Calcium hydroxide. Okay, plus heat. Are you getting it?
Yes,
The
sir.
heat is released. Who was having more heat? Reactant was having more heat. A calcium. The triangle is heat release. Triangle means what? Heat. What is the symbol for triangle? I'll write here. Triangle means heat. Triangle means heat. Heat. खाली heat. फिर plus लिखेगा तो heat released. Okay. A calcium oxide is also known as what? Quicklime. क्या नाम है इसका?
Quicklime.
Quicklime. एक कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का दूसरा नाम क्या है? स्लिक्ड लाइम. स्लिक्ड लाइम.
It's slab.
स्लिक्ड.
Slick.
ओके. एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन इज द एक्सो म्हणजे आउट, थर्मा म्हणजे हीट, रिएक्शन इन विच द हीट इज गिवन आउट. हीट इज गिवन आउट. या ए भाई बात नहीं करने का, इधर देखने का. शट अप. हाँ हाँ, तो इफ यू आर कुक देन विल सर्व यू इन प्लेट, डोंट वरी. ठीक है.
I eat it.
या आई एम कैनिबल, डोंट वरी.
Carnival.
या
Go.
triangle means heat, beta. What that plus
Slaked.
triangle? Slaked line.
Eat the line.
That is the option or the voice of.
Where is the charging port?
So go, yes.
हाँ, ये कब से पैर में लग रहा था? बोला क्या लग रहा
Then wake up.
है?
What's
हो रहा है. What? चलो डन बेटा. Exothermic, slaked lime. What man?
What is slave?
Slaked lime is another name for this. Calcium hydroxide is white solution, white turbid.
So any white solution.
Yeah, not any white. Calcium hydroxide only. Okay. Anything we will not say anything. Okay. Okay. Endothermic. Opposite of exo is what, beta? Endo means in. Therma means heat. Endothermic reaction means what, beta? Heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed. Absorbed. Reaction and give nitrogen plus oxygen. Yeah, and for this we will always write beta minus triangle. क्या लिखेंगे? Minus triangle. Sorry, प्रोडक्ट तो लिखा ही नहीं. प्रोडक्ट लिखने का दिस इज रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन. ये ना बैलेंस करने के लिए 2 एंड आई राइट माइनस ट्राइंगल. सो वेन एवर माइनस ट्राइंगल इज रिटन बेटा इट इज ये एंडोथर्मिक. What is the name of this compound? This is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide.
So, but how do you know that we have to start this chapter in school? Because
it's been taken. He knows astrology.
No, beta. I'm just. This is very important chapter, so I'm doing it. Okay.
नहीं है मेरे पास. सही में नहीं है मेरे पास. नहीं
I don't like to buy bigger. Outside the box.
Now.
This triangle is no heat.
Yeah, heat is released. It is gone, baby. Heat is absorbed. Sorry, heat is absorbed. No heat, nahi. Heat is absorbed. Arey baby, I am supplying heat on this side. Look, I write plus heat, and this gives you product. So if I write this on this side, it will become minus or not? No. You just write. Yeah, you can write triangle up on the arrow also.
So minus triangle is.
But remember, minus triangle means endothermic. Plus triangle means exothermic on the product side. Okay?
Okay.
Now, beta, before going to the next part, you all should know few basic things in this chapter. Few very important things you should know. Then only you will understand. Then only you will understand. Okay. Yeah. अरे लिखा है ना ये heat absorb triangle. Okay. Now, beta, before doing this chapter, you should know few things. What all things you should know, beta? I'm giving you some list. Aja. Come here. Beta, certain gas, which we call them as neutral gas. Which gas? What is a neutral gas? Neutral gas. Any gas, beta suno. Any gas, if I dissolve it in water, no, wait. What is neutral gas? Any gas, if you dissolve in water, nothing will happen. We call them as which gas? So which are neutral gas? Nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, water is also neutral gas. Okay, carbon monoxide, NO. All these are neutral gas. Please write it. But in water in vapor form is a gas. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
Gas separation. There's this solubility in a solid.
No.
Hydrogen and nitrogen get cancelled here. And hydrogen is soluble. So, lactic oxide.
Neutral gas. A gas which when
Gas is what?
No change in the gas or water.
Sir, what?
Sir, hydrogen
gas
with
with
H2O पानी
Done. मेरे पास नहीं है. Simple view का. Reflex actually.
is neutral gas. Gas which does not react with water is neutral gas. काय रे? Ja.
Chipotle sauce.
Rice.
Dark chart.
What? You have to remember what is neutral gas.
Without asking is
Yeah, those are non movements.
Done.
So we should wait for Kabir.
No, we are not.
Sir, stop that. Sir, you should record these.
Done, beta. Done. Okay. ए बाय बस बातें नहीं gas which does not react with water is neutral gas.
Is there a symbol for neutral gas? Everyone knows that, Samir. But you and Jay. And actually,
Oh, Viana.
we have.
Acidic acid.
Acidic gas.
Neutral gas.
Which name? Gas which dissolves in water to form acid is known as which gas? Acidic gas. बेटा अभी मैं बता देता कौन से एग्जाम्पल है देख. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड. All these are which gas? Acidic gas. Because when they dissolve in water, NO2, ये सब कौन सी गैस है? Acidic gas. Gas which dissolves in water to form acid. ये एग्जाम्पल दूं क्या? ये एग्जाम्पल. आजा बेटा, पहला वाला करते बेबी, आजा. मैंने आपको यहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दिया है, मैंने इसको पानी डाला. क्या डाला? इसने क्या बना दिया? एसिड बना दिया. इसको क्या कहते हैं बेटा? कार्बोनिक एसिड और नॉट? टेल मी. अगर बेटा मैंने सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड को पानी में डाला होता, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड को, तो ये क्या बन जाता? सल्फरस एसिड. विच एसिड? सल्फरस एसिड. सल्फरस एसिड. फिर बेटा अगर 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 SO3 को हमने पानी में डाला, H2SO4.
So can we only write 2? Please, my fits nahi ho rahe. Why is it?
Just get lost then in that case. Okay. इन्हीं ऑक्साइड को लिया मैंने, पानी डाला कर उसने एसिड बनाया, तो वो एसिडिक गैस होगा.
So can we write any 2? Please.
No, you have to write all. You have to write all. Shut your mouth and do your work, or get lost. Hey, baby luck. Go.
Yeah. Same to zero. You know what? No, after.
Why don't you just shut your mouth?
So she's.
Shut your mouth. पढ़ाई करती नहीं है, इतना सब तेरे को रिवीजन कराने के बाद में मेरा.
सर आप मुझसे पॉसिबल पूछना ना थोड़ा.
थोड़ा हमारे पास बहुत बढ़िया एक पर्सन और
और एक एग्जांपल है यहाँ पर. और एक एग्जांपल है P2O5 फॉस्फोरस पेंटॉक्साइड. लिख फॉस्फोरस पेंटॉक्साइड. Shut your mouth, baby. Shut your mouth, baby. Shut your mouth, baby. So these are acidic gas. These are which gas?
Acidic.
Acidic. Acidic. Acidic. Only basic gas in your syllabus. पूरे सिलेबस में आपको 9th में 10th में 8th में एक ही बेसिक गैस है. एक only one baby, only one.
Argon.
Okay, write it. P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide. Sulfurous sulfuric. Now लिहिलं ना बेबी. पूर्णिमा बेटा येत आहे ना तुला? अरे हे काय हे काय चाललंय तुझा? देणार एक का कानाखाली तुला आता? काय काय केस ट्रिमर निकाल के गंजा बनाएगा तेरे को यहाँ पे. टकलू. हाँ.
सर का मुंह देखो.
तो फिर बस इधर आ जाओगे. You should know these basics बेटा. चलो भी. बेसिक गैस. चलो पूर्णिमा बेटा. एसिडिक गैस को क्या था? कोई भी गैस को अगर मैं एसिड में डालता था तो एसिड बनाता था. तो बेसिक गैस क्या होगा बेटा? हाँ पानी में. हाँ
बेसिक को पानी में डालोगी तो
तो पानी में डालेंगे तो क्या होगा बोल बेटा? वो क्या बनाएगा?
बेसिक
Gas when dissolved in water. When dissolved in water forms base. Forms base. ठीक है. तो एक ही एग्जाम्पल में तुमको बताता है. एक ही एग्जाम्पल है पूरे सिलेबस में. NH3. NH3 को क्या बोलते हैं? अमोनिया. अमोनिया गैस. अमोनिया गैस. ये अमोनिया को मैं पानी में डाल रहा हूँ. देखो गौर से. तो क्या मिलेगा? देख. हाँ क्या 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 मिलता है? NH4OH. ये बेस है कि नहीं? जिसमें भी OH होता है वो बेस होता है कि नहीं? बोलो. Ammonium hydroxide. And ammonium hydroxide is a base. It is a base. बेस को अल्कली है. अल्कली कोई भी गैस को बेटा if I dissolve in water, if it form base, then it is a basic gas. Only basic gas in your अभी मैं 9th में नहीं पढ़ा. अमोनिया नहीं. अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड तो गैस बोला है. अमोनिया. Only basic gas in your syllabus is ammonia.
Sir, I'm very tired.
Just shut your mouth then.
Sir, fix that, please. Sir, I wouldn't take that.
Yeah.
Sir, sir. Too much sense.
I will बेटा please me. अब बेटा आप लोगों को क्या आज़ार हो रही है? Sorry. No, not at all. Yeah, absolutely not. No. No. So we have done acidic gas, neutral gas, and basic gas. Now we go to first type of reaction, combination. First type of reaction today we are going to do, and that is which one? Direct combination. Direct combination.
See other people.
It's another reaction again. One of the reactions. Oh, yeah, one of them. That's all on bread. 1000 $.
Steal a bag. Best one. Best there.
Done?
Yes, sir.
चलो बेटा type of reaction. First type of reaction.
Combination.
Combination reaction. Combination, we can also call it as addition.
Alkali.
Combination reaction or addition reaction. Right, बेटा? Direct combination. ठीक है?
Synthesis. Important is like
Bro, what is the other short doing, child?
Okay, now first of all, tell me, beta, oye, in this reaction combination में only one product is formed. How many product is formed only? Beta, in combination or addition reaction, only one product will be there. Only one product.
bond.
अच्छा, अभी बेटा मैं आपको बताते baby here. Just shut your mouth. Suppose beta, now I'm just writing this way: A plus B. So A plus B are reactant, and this is fruit. Yeah.
No, exactly.
A general reaction. So only one product. I'm so sorry. Oh,
क्या? It is only one product is only
only one product is formed. Okay? Only one product is formed in combination reaction.
only product. You know,
Only one product. Can you see this, beta? So whenever you will see on the right hand side, only one product you will see throughout. Only one product you will see.
so this R plus
Only one product you will see. And this combination reaction is further divided into which part? Synthesis reaction. What is synthesis? I am giving example. First, I am giving you example of synthesis. Synthesis. Have you written this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
No, only synthesis. Synthesis is a type of what, beta? Addition reaction only. But is a combination only. But what is the difference that I'll tell you?
Photosynthesis.
Yeah. Synthesis में what will happen, beta? Synthesis reaction, beta.
Oh.
In this only I'm doing a beta when if the reaction is between element and element only, and it will give you compound. Element and element only, and if it gives you compound. एडिशन में भी नहीं, इसको हम लोग एडिशन भी कहते हैं, लेकिन एडिशन में इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? सिंथेसिस.
But you didn't give an example.
I am giving the AD. In synthesis, both will be element. Reactant में कौन होगा? Element ही होगा. Batate. And this we call synthesis. Synthesis. What is the major difference in synthesis and other combination? In synthesis, both will be element. Both will be element.
Both will be
element.
What is the synthesis reaction?
Both will be element. Shut your mouth, I am explaining. इसका टाइप में बताती ना बेटा. Suppose बेटा if I take बेटा plus sulfur, what it will give me? तो देखो बेटा दोनों एलिमेंट ही है ना. अच्छा, अब ये जिंक को मैं क्या, एग्जामिनर बहुत शाना है, वो आपको ऐसा जिंक नहीं बोलेगा. क्या बोलेगा? जिंक का वैलेंसी कितना है? 2. डाइवेलेंट मेटल. समझ में आ रहा है? डाइवेलेंट मेटल. और ये सल्फर क्या होता है पता है क्या? येलो नॉन मेटल. व्हेनेवर आई से येलो नॉन मेटल, तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए? सल्फर. बेबी, whenever I say yellow, I won't say direct sulfur, I'll say yellow non-metal. So whenever they say yellow non-metal, what should come to your mind? Sulfur.
solid or
Shut up. पहला जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ बोले, बाद में मैं बताते सब अलग अलग.
Diatomic non-metal.
अरे जिंक के साथ
ए अभी बेटा मैं बचा थी कैल्शियम प्लस ऑक्सीजन। ये बेटा अभी देख रहा है ये सब अकेला अकेला है कि नहीं? दीज टू आर एलिमेंट ओनली। I get calcium oxide. Yeah. So A instead of calcium I can say divalent metal.
Diavalent.
Divalent metal and neutral gas. This is neutral gas or not? Tell me. Oxygen was neutral or not? Tell me. Today we did na. We had to balance it. Balance करने के लिए मी रुक गया करने भी ये सब.
Gotch.
Yeah, maybe shit.
Big gotch.
Hey, this is all synthesis. Why it is synthesis? Because both are combine होने वाले element ही हैं. Element ही हैं. ही हो हाँ.
What? Oh,
बहुत important one I am going to do now. इस combination synthesis ही मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी भी हाँ बेटा. चलो done 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 done.
मेरा बोला है exactly that I knew it.
Now you broke it.
Yeah.
वैसे स्केल मारो
Vasan. Pay attention here.
I will understand also. That's yes.
सरने में ना वासन. चलो बेटा आजा. ए ये जल्दी जल्दी कर.
Sir, my scales are actually not picking
Don't pick only. Let it be. Why you need scale now? Shut your mouth and start writing. बेटा ये समझ में आया? क्वेश्चन examiner is going to be very smart. He'll not ask direct question. He'll ask घुमा के. Divalent metal react with neutral gas. Divalent metal with yellow non-metal.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Sir,
Now, shut up. Hey, this is phosphorus plus oxygen gives you phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. तो बैलेंस करने का इसको मुझे 2 I'll write the name of this. This is phosphorus pentoxide.
Sir, ये स्केल नहीं उठा रही.
अरे तो because
Sir, we are following
because the scale is not
ए ये काम करना अपना.
Scale.
so it's an example of same
Same only. Because both are element only na so far.
Scale.
sorry bhajan TP specific religion so
Man, I'm writing my notes with it. I know that's an explanation. It's a kind of doll. What is that? Acha.
Whatever we are going to write, that is going to be combination only. I will not call it as synthesis.
So scale. Pentaoxide.
Pentoxide.
Pentoxide.
अरे एक खत्म हो गई है.
चलो done done. चलो अब बेटा I am going to do compound plus element. Hey, now this is going to be combination only. Yeah? कंपाउंड प्लस एलिमेंट गिव्स यू कंपाउंड. हाँ, एक ही प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है कि नहीं बोलो. ये बेबी प्लीज. दिस इज व्हाट कॉम्बिनेशन. आई विल नॉट कॉल इट एज सिंथेसिस. इट इज व्हाट बेटा. कंपाउंड में बेटा ए is this is what CO, carbon monoxide. Is it an element or two different? सुना बेटा, बस हो गया. ये अबे ये डी यहाँ पे देख. ये क्या है ये सेम है या अलग अलग है? कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन अलग अलग है ना. ये कंपाउंड हो गया. ये एलिमेंट है. और क्या मिलेगा? CO2. कॉम्बिनेशन. सिंथेसिस नहीं बोल सकते अभी मैं इसको. What was the difference in synthesis? Both were element. Here there is compound. Both will be not element. That's it. At least one compound will be there, or both the compound. This is what carbon monoxide. Carbon mono. And this is what beta? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. If I take SO2, then sulfur dioxide plus oxygen, this reaction is reversible. And I get SO3. Oh my God, this is what? Reversible. Chew. What is the name of this compound? SO2 is known as sulfur dioxide. And this is sulfur trioxide. If this is combination, not synthesis. Combination.
सर का दिमाग हैक हो गया. सर नाम सरदार.
Combination.
All my friends.
Yeah.
सर आई एम सरदार.
Now बेटा एग्जाम में पूछेंगे. Write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. In which? हाँ, तो अब हम तुमको बादशाह ठीक इधर आ जाओ. ओके चलो.
अरे सर.
So what hatching eggs or what? So yeah, hatching eggs or what? Do it fast. Sulfur is yellow non-metal. That list also I'll give. Huh? Shut up. Chlorine is, I'll tell you what it is. Greenish yellow gas it is. Not same. इधर बेबी इधर पे देख. दादी बोलेगी ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. ओके, एग्जाम में मैं आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. राइट अ कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. In which weak acid is formed. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा. तो आज बेटा हम लोग ने पढ़ा था ना बेटा एसिड का. अभी कॉम्बिनेशन में यहाँ पे दोनों कंपाउंड होगा बेटा. तो आउट ऑफ दिस एनी वन एग्जांपल यू विल राइट. पहला वाला मैं आपको लिख के देता हूँ. पहला वाला हम लोग ने ये पढ़ा था कि नहीं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर बोथ आर कंपाउंड और नॉट. टेल मी. या वेरी गुड. लिखना पड़ेगा वापस. कार्बोनिक एसिड. And carbonic acid is which acid? Weak acid. हाँ लिखना है. Weak acid है ये. Carbonic is weak acid. या तो आप ये भी लिख सकते थे. SO2 plus water give you H2SO3. Sulfurous, क्योंकि sulfuric is strong. Sulfurous acid. It is weak acid. थर्ड P2O, तीनों में से कोई भी एक आप लिखने का। P2O5 के अंदर में पानी डालेगा तो मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? फॉस्फरिक एसिड। विच नहीं हाँ वही फॉस्फोरस पेंटॉक्साइड। एसिड मिला के नहीं, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड। शट योर माउथ। नो, दिस इज ऑल्सो वीक एसिड। या बोल मायरा, बोल अभी का है प्रश्न का है? Which one? All are combination. All are which reaction? Combination. No, it is compound plus compound. Synthesis is element plus element. अरे बाबा, ये भी हम लोग का कॉम्बिनेशन ही है।
सर आपने तो कंपाउंड और एलिमेंट लिखा है।
अगेन आई एम गिविंग हेडिंग ना, कंपाउंड प्लस कंपाउंड। Compound plus compound gives you compound.
We made us that element that element is compound. So we
No elements are also synthesis and he made it.
This is also combination.
अबे
Combination.
सर दो टाइप किधर लिखना है? कंपाउंड
Hey, this is compound, this is compound, this is compound or not?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ये बेबी मेरे को बता, एक ही प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है कि नहीं? एक प्रोडक्ट बनेगा तो कॉम्बिनेशन। एक काम कर अपना बस। Element plus compound is combination. Compound plus compound is also combination. But if it is element, then it is synthesis. अभी मैं उठ जाऊंगा ना, अगर मैं उठ के पीछे वहां पे आ गया ना तो सबका सामूहिक शोषण करूंगा मैं, है ना बेटा?
So you read it. So if it's an element plus compound, it's combination, and compound is
Also combination, but element is only synthesis.
No, sir, we should just write this after the compound plus compound.
You write there, give heading third type carbon. All these are examiner is not going to ask you direct question. He will say write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. So you should know this.
Back to sentence. Yeah.
बेटा
I'm done. I've written all the
हाँ, तो इसका मतलब क्या है?
Why do you?
Done all of you this?
This compound diary.
But Bhandari is entering.
ओके आज हम लोग ने कॉम्बिनेशन कहाँ तक किया है? एसिड तक। एक बेस का करना है बस, बेस का। राइट लास्ट रिएक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन in which मैं बता रहा हूँ सर, in which alkali is formed. Alkali means base. Alkali means base. बस लास्ट रिएक्शन चला जाओ। ए वेट 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Hey, shut your mouth यार. Close the door. Sodium oxide. If I dissolve in water, you get NaOH. NaOH is a alkali. NaOH is a alkali. This is your alkali. Alkali है alkali. Alkali और base.
कुछ भी है भाई, कुछ भी है.
You wait, beta. I'll give you the notes now. Hold this. Hold this. Okay.
अलकली है भाई, प्रिया बिजली है भाई, बिजली है. अबे नहीं, बिजली है भाई. Yes, sir. बकरी we can leave.
That is not your school. From the
What's
school.
that?
भंडारी है.
Sorry, no.
He's from Utar.
मेरा फोन दे. अरे स्क्रीन चला. Please, no, I need it. No, I need it. Screen पर मैं फोटो देख इसका. ओह, ओके बेटा. कमेंट. प्रणव चाहिए. अबे प्रणव.
ओ यार, पिक्चर है.
मैं Why do you have all those?
I just do.
Very expensive, unique stuff. मैं भी अबे तेरा टेक्स्ट बुक डाल दिया तूने तो ठीक है. अरे ये है मेरा
Last year का.
हेलो हेलो
Yes, बेटा बैठ जाओ. हाँ ये भेज जहाँ को जाना. Yes, ma'am. Then you got that. I do. Yes. ये डायरेक्ट हाँ ये अभी और 8 बच्चे और आए. इसमें कम है तो फर्स्ट बैच उसमें 20 है. इसको फुल हो जाता है उसको लगाने वाला. आई विल कॉल फॉर दैट. ठीक है तो ये भी मैं 8 o'clock तक करूंगा. हाँ बोला मैं निकाला है तुम्हारा. ये सेकंड है एक ही ग्रुप. Oh, what's your name, dear?
Kyosam.
Which Usha?
Kyosam.
K.
Osam.
Usha. My God, that is a very unique name. I have heard it for first time, bro. चलो बेटा स्टार्ट करते हैं. आज बच्चे सब ऑनलाइन है, बाहर गए क्या? कितना मिला भाई? 73.
वो मैंने न्यूमेरिकल्स के कैलकुलेशन
कौन है? अन्ना ढिंगरा ना? कितने?
वो मैंने न्यूमेरिकल्स के कैलकुलेशन
ना मिला. कितना मिला? तेरे को कितना मिला? 79 दो जन को मिला है. मेरे को लगा 80 आया कि नहीं आया. 79 तीन जन को है. हाँ. भुट्टा, फिर ये सौरेश, 75, 76, 77 बहुत है. 80 किसको है? ये व्हाट मैन? सॉरी. अरे यार मैंने वो रेकॉर्ड करना बंद ही नहीं किया. ओह माय गॉड.